Ming Chiang Precision Co Limited is professional in manufacturing stamped metals, including precision mold design and development since 1994. We supply metal stampings for electronics, medical, automotive, and other industries. We are highly experienced in producing components out from a wide range of materials, including steel, brass, aluminum, and others. Our suppliers are carefully selected in order for us to provide you the cost-effective and high quality of products that you deserve. We have well-knowledgeable and well-experienced tool makers and designers whose skilled craftsmanship reflects high quality of work. Tooling, manufacturing, and packaging are all produced in-house. Our products include EMI shielding, antennas, springs, automotive parts, and other simple to complex metal components. Ming Chiang has been pursuing improvement, so we have passed a number of certifications. Over the years, we have been committed in improving customer satisfaction, good quality of products, competitive prices, and good delivery lead time. We offer reasonable and competitive prices. Orders with small or big quantity, including variety of items, are acceptable. Request for a code and email us at sales@mjtw.com.tw or visit our website at http://www.mjtw.com.tw for more info.